Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily edit CSS in WordPress so you can make your website look exactly the way you want. Whether you want to tweak fonts, colors, or layouts, by the end of this guide, you'll be able to do it in just a few minutes, even if you're not a coding expert. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Log into your account. If you use Google to sign in, that works too. Once you're in, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, click on your site block to access the site editor. Here's where all the magic happens. Once inside the editor, look for the settings tab, usually on the top or sidebar, and click on it. Now, select advanced and then click on additional CSS. This is your CSS playground, where you can add custom code to tweak your site's design. You can either paste CSS you've written or type it directly here. For example, if you want to change your site's font, background, or button color, just input the CSS rules. Don't worry if it sounds technical. CSS is really just a way to tell your website how to look. After adding your code, it's super important to review your changes. Use the preview option to see how your edits look across different devices and browsers. This ensures your site looks perfect no matter where your visitors are viewing it from. Remember, small tweaks can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your website. Take your time experimenting and you'll start seeing the impact immediately. And that's it. Editing CSS in WordPress is that simple. With these steps, you can fully customize your site style and make it uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.